Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore the art of maximizing small spaces through the innovative practice of indoor microgardening. As urban living becomes more prevalent, many find themselves with limited space, yet a desire to bring nature indoors persists. Let us delve into the smart techniques that transform even the tiniest of areas into vibrant, green havens. Firstly, selecting the right plants is paramount. Opt for compact species, such as herbs like basil and mint, or leafy greens like lettuce and spinach. These not only thrive in small environments, but also offer the added benefit of being edible, adding a fresh touch to your culinary creations. Consider also dwarf varieties of vegetables like cherry tomatoes or small peppers that can flourish in confined spaces. Next, vertical gardening serves as a strategic approach to conserve space. By utilizing shelves, hanging pots, or vertical wall planters, you can adorn your walls with greenery without sacrificing floor area. This technique capitalizes on height, transforming blank walls into lush, living art. For those with truly minimal space, even the back of a door can become a thriving plant sanctuary with the right arrangements. Light plays a crucial role in the success of indoor gardening. While natural sunlight is optimal, many spaces may not receive adequate exposure. In such cases, invest in LED grow lights, specifically designed to provide the necessary spectrum of light for plant growth. These lights are energy efficient and can be adjusted to imitate the natural light cycle, ensuring your plants receive the essential light they require. For watering, consider drip irrigation systems or self-watering planters. These systems efficiently use water and can be set to a schedule, granting you peace of mind and ensuring your plants remain hydrated without risk of overwatering. In conclusion, indoor micro-gardening not only enhances the aesthetic of your space, but also contributes to well-being by bringing nature closer to home. By selecting the right plants, utilizing vertical space, optimizing lighting, and carefully managing watering, anyone can create a thriving indoor garden regardless of the space constraints. Embrace these techniques to transform your small living area into a lush green sanctuary. Thank you for watching.